Hey.
It has been a long time since I've made a video. Everybody who's still watching, thank you. It's been kind of crazy up here. We have had a lot of snow. It's slowed a lot of things down. But we're back up here. The roads are really good now. Hopefully we can get things going again and it should be awesome. Some have asked what we're doing for heat, and we are doing radiant heating. So basically what happens is there's a boiler in the basement. The boiler heats up water, sends it through a system that goes, it goes through pipe. That's our boiler. The boiler heats up water. It runs across here, runs down into this big 80-gallon tank, and then runs over to all of these manifolds. Once the temperature drops below a certain temperature, whatever you have it set on, this valve opens and the pump kicks on, and basically it sends hot water through the floor. So these run up and over, and they basically run into the house up through the floor. So these are, these are the manifolds. I said the other parts were manifolds, those are pumps. So each one of these has a hot and a cold. One is the out and one's the in. So you have it going to your radiant flooring, and then you have it coming back as the return into the cold. That gets sent back to the boiler, which reheats and then recycles throughout the house. One thing we didn't want because of our tall ceilings was to have the main floor be a little bit cooler and the basement be really cold, and then the upstairs be really, really hot because all the heat rises. So what this allows us to do is we can close doors in rooms and areas that we're not in all the time and keep those rooms at a cooler temperature because the thermostat's in there. Then we can keep, our common areas and our bedroom a little bit warmer, and then the master bathroom floor will keep quite warm. A lot of people say they like to keep it like 75, not necessarily to keep their bathroom warm, but to keep the tile or hardwood warm underneath it.